Vitala Facial Device is being promoted as a non-invasive facelifting tool that tightens skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives instant results. But the real question is whether it actually lifts your face, or if it's just marketing built around a real concept. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Devices like this usually use microcurrent or EMS technology, which sends low-level electrical signals to stimulate facial muscles. However, here's the key point. At-home devices like Vitala only deliver mild, temporary effects, not real lifting. There are some limited positives. These devices can slightly tighten the appearance of skin, temporarily improve circulation, and give a glow, help products absorb better. With consistent use, you might see subtle toning effects over time. That said, the limitations are important. First, no real lifting. Dermatology sources confirm that while microcurrent can help with minor improvements, there's limited evidence for dramatic lifting or wrinkle reduction. Second, temporary results. Any lift you see is usually short-lived, hours to days, and requires constant use to maintain. Third, not unique. Vitala appears similar to many generic microcurrent/LED devices sold under different brand names, often at varying prices. Fourth, marketing exaggeration. Claims like instant facelift or clinically proven lifting are typically overstated for at-home devices. Even real user discussions reflect mixed expectations. Can lift and tone, but results are subtle. So, does Vitala actually lift your face? Not in a meaningful or permanent way. The bottom line is this. Vitala Facial Device is a real type of beauty tool, but heavily overhyped. It may give temporary tightening and mild toning, but it won't replace professional treatments or produce true lifting results. If you go in with realistic expectations, it can be a small skincare boost, but not a transformation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.